Take a moment to check out the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Cherokee, the stylish midsize SUV with sleek lines, ample cargo capacity, rich interior appointments, and advanced technology that keeps you safe and secure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Don't miss out on the chance to drive a rugged SUV that's designed with passenger comfort in mind. Drive the Cherokee.